Here is the Pella sliding door in the locked position. There's the handle that is locked. I'm able to unlock it by going 45 degrees. Now it opens. But what I'm supposed to do is take it to 90 degrees so that it is actually open. If I leave it at 45 accidentally, which allows the door to go open, watch what happens. I'm going to close the door. You hear that nice noise? I just locked myself out. And I can stand here screaming and looking and wondering how the hell I'm going to get out. This little problem here is what caused me to be locked out there for 2 hours on a balcony until I had 2 locksmiths drill out the lock to get into this apartment to let me out. And while I was waiting, I missed the wedding that I was intending to attend. But thankfully, I've got someone inside who can unlock it for me. And that unlocks 2 releases, one at the bottom and one at the top. Thank you, Pella, for locking me out so that I missed my wedding.